So hello everyone, welcome to the video. So today we are starting out our day at 11 a.m. here as you can see, and I'm recording this video after 4 days since I came back to Karachi. The reason being I was busy because I got employed. I'm working now, so we can talk about this another day. But today what we are going to talk about is that I have this thing. This is the mic basically. So I haven't tested it yet. So today we are gonna test it. So I'm gonna test it. But before we test that, I have some work that I need to do. Here's my laptop and my screen. So firstly we are gonna get done with this thing and then I will tell you. And today there's a special thing as well, so I will tell in the last.
These
Right.
battles make it hurt.
So here we are done with the work. Right now I'm using this mic. So if the quality is good or bad, you can let me know in the comments down below. So it took me 6 hours to complete my work, and yeah, I sat down for work at 11 a.m. and I just completed the work. So I started so many things today. Let me discuss one by one. Firstly, I started habit tracking. That this year I was thinking that I would track my all the activities that I do. So I couldn't do that when I was in Karachi. Like I came in Mirpukhas on 1st January, so that's the thing. I was just procrastinating a lot. So today I made that on 7th January, and the second thing I made, that if you know about the Indian content creators and if you watch them, so one of them is Abhiyan New, and they launched a new program where they give us so many knowledge, so so many information about the content creation. So I bought their program. It was very cheap for me, like 1500 rupees. It's like maybe $5 or something. So yeah, I bought that course, and in that course basically you get the task, you get the things every single day. So you need to do that. So I was not doing that at all, but today finally by the blessing of God I did two activities today, and maybe I did two and five are remaining, so I will do later. So yeah, these were the two things, and third one was the book reading. Now let's come on to the second part that I was talking, that I would talk in the last. So that thing is basically yesterday it was officially been 5 months since I have joined gym. I ignore the words. So it's been 5 months since I have joined the gym, and I'm feeling very very good, in the sense, like you can say, whenever I started gym, I just did for 3 months, full procrastination, no concentration, no focus, and not at all, and not anything. But today I'm feeling very blessed because my first time that I've been stick to this so long. Now I have a plan to go further along. Obviously, I can't skip this. I can't quit right now. So I will also be tracking that as well. So yeah, there's the thing. So yeah, that is it. As you can see the time, if it is visible, it's 5:45, and I need to go to gym after an hour. So yeah, that's the thing. And one more thing is that I wanna thank all of you who have subscribed my channel or watch my videos. I don't expect my videos to go above 20 views, but every time when I upload the videos, it just cross 30 or 35 views every time, and I'm very thankful for that. I'm trying to change my content as well. If you have watched till here, please subscribe. Please consider subscribing. We are very close to 100 subscribers, not 100k. Inshallah, that will be our goal soon. So yeah, for now that is it. Bye bye, see you in the next one.